S2 plus 1 O6 structure is. It is called polythionic acid. Very simple, you see. Double bond O, one is OH. Here one more sulfur. Yes, double bond O, OH. If you have more S2 plus N, if it is there, you can keep this is the N type. And all these sulfurs are with +5 oxidation state. And this central sulfur is with 0 oxidation state. Remember this is very important point. Then in contact process, SO2 is changed to SO3 using vanadium pentoxide catalyst at a pressure of 2 bar and 720 Kelvin temperature. To dilute H2SO4, the concentrated acid must be added slowly into water. Okay, now to dilute. Dilute means if you want to dilute the H2SO4, take concentrated, add acid to water. Don't add water to acid. Add small amount of acid to large amount of water with constant stirring. Correct. Fourth one, H2SO4 chemical reactions are due to low volatility, acidic nature, oxidizing power, or you say oxidizing action, and dehydrating nature. Sulfuric acid is a good dehydrating nature. H2SO4 is largely dissociated into H plus and HSO4 minus. Ka1 value is very high than Ka2, so it dissociates into H plus and HSO4 minus rather than SO4 minus 2. NaHSO4 is still having a proton to go, that's why it is called acidic salt. Very interesting point. If a salt contains still proton, that is called acidic salt. Due to low volatility of concentrated sulfuric acid, it is used to prepare high volatile or you say more volatile acids from their salts. Like you can prepare HCl, HF and HNO3. Very, very important question. You can expect this in your JEE entrance, NEET entrance. C12H22O11, very, very simple. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent, so you will be getting your carbon. 12 carbons are there, so 12 carbon, 11 water. Oxidizing nature of H3PO4, H2SO4, HNO3. H2SO4 is intermediate to HNO3 and H3PO4. HNO3 is very strong, then H2SO4, then H3PO4. Sulfur is oxidized by sulfuric acid too. Sulfur is always oxidized by sulfuric acid to sulfur dioxide. Interesting. In this case, H2SO4 also changes to sulfur dioxide. Carbon is oxidized by H2SO4 to carbon dioxide. Copper sulfate is formed when copper is oxidized by H2SO4. In this reaction, H2SO4 is reduced to sulfur dioxide. Sulfuric acid with +6 oxidation state of sulfur changes to +4 of sulfur dioxide. Right? Thank you. So these were the questions of group 16. Almost all questions, all lines I have covered. If anything is remaining, that may be about the latest new element in that. Whatever it is there, if anything is possible, we'll go with those later. Thank you. This is your Lucky Sir.